Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by launching F123 and making sure no overlays interfere. That prevents conflicts while you edit. Once the game is running, go straight to Options, then Display, then HUD or on-screen display so you can edit settings immediately. Make sure to export or note your current HUD profile before changing anything. That gives you a rollback. You're doing this to control clutter and telemetry accuracy, so keep the focus on removing distractions and preparing the UI for the next steps. Once in the HUD editor, focus on which OSD elements you need: timing, gaps, tire data, minimap, and ERS/DRS. You should adjust position, scale, and opacity so nothing overlaps critical view lines. Lower opacity for background telemetry to reduce distraction. Use a practice session to preview changes in real time, because live racing reveals occlusion issues. Make a custom layout and save it under a clear name so you can switch between aggressive, relaxed, or broadcast styles quickly when conditions change. Finish by testing in a short practice or time trial to ensure all OSD items are readable and unobstructed. Once satisfied, export the HUD profile and backup config files with version names so you can restore quickly. If things go wrong, for example OSD doesn't appear or overlaps persist, reload the default profile, clear the game's config cache, and make sure third-party overlays are disabled. That usually resolves conflicts. Then reapply your exported profile and verify the final layout in another quick run.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.